Hey, what's going on? This is Reggie, founder, facilitator, and coach here at Lead Strong Incorporated. Hey, what do you say we have some real talk about a real issue that we all have, and that is conflict. It's inevitable. What word comes to mind when I say the word conflict to you? You might say anxiety, you might say stress, you might say fear, you might say fight. You may respond the way that I used to respond when hearing conflict, and that's to run as fast as I can away from that conflict. Well, what if I told you we had the recipe? The recipe to make conflict easier and more manageable. A way to make you more adaptive, flexible, and agile where conflict is concerned. Well, we have that. And the way that we're going to extend this conversation, this real talk conversation, is through a series of Power Hour experiences. We're going to facilitate these experiences on the Zoom platform, where our certified Zoom experts are going to incorporate polls, breakout groups, large group discussions, and chats, all for keeping you engaged and participating in the experience. Not only will it be motivational and educational and fun, but you're actually going to walk away with a plan. With a plan to address a real live conflict in your life. That makes it practical. That makes it an applied experience because you walk away with a plan. You're going to have that plan after our experience. We want you to be there or be square. Click on the link below, choose the date that works best for you, and we look forward to seeing you there for this powerful conflict experience.